Good morning to all my dear students, and welcome to Zoology online class. I have taken 4 to 5 classes under the reproductive health. So this is today is the last class of the topic reproductive health. Previously I have completed, that is how the birth rate can be controlled by applying so many devices or the contraceptives. Then secondly, I had completed, that is the STD, sexually transmitted diseases. And from the beginning, I have told you this chapter includes 3 things. That is how the population growth can be checked. Second one, what are the types of STD or the sexually transmitted diseases. Then the third is infertility. And let me start today about the infertility. Infertility. So what is the infertility? What is the meaning of infertility? Infertility is the inability. Infertility is the inability to conceive or to produce the child. Infertility is the inability to conceive or to produce the child, to conceive or to produce the child for a couple in spite of regular, that is unprotected coitus or unprotected copulation or unprotected coitus. Are you understanding me or not? Ta mane gote couple, husband and wife, that is husband and wife, they are unable to produce the child. Semane able hounanti to produce a child, even if jodio semane konosi contraceptive use karunahanti, regularly semane free contraceptive ba contraceptive no neiki to copulation by intercourse karuchanti kintu pila rogu nahi. That is called as the infertility. That means inability to produce a child by a couple, that is in spite of unprotected coitus or unprotected, that is the copulation. Jodio semane konosi device no nei ki copulation karuchanti kintu pila rohu nahi. That is the inability to produce the child. Tankar kichi defect achi, that is they are unable to produce the child. And the infertility is not a problem of only one couple. It is a problem in the whole world, in the people of whole world, as well as including the India. That is this type of, or that is the characters are found in most of the pupils in the world. And what are the cause behind it? That is, what are the cause behind it? Now, either it is caused by the physical, or that is by a disease, or by that is the immunological problems, or that is by the psychological problem. It may be that is the problem of physical or psychological, or that is the that is any disease, that is by which they become or they are infertile. They are infertile. ସେମାନେ infertile ହେଇଛନ୍ତି either physically କିଛି ହେଇଛି କିମ୍ବା immunity capacity ତାଙ୍କର କିଛି ହେଇଛି କିମ୍ବା ସେମାନେ କୌଣସି disease ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆକ୍ରାନ୍ତ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି କିମ୍ବା mentally they are disorder. So ଏମିତି ହେଇକି ସେମାନେ infertility ହେଇଛନ୍ତି. So these are the cause of the infertility. Then after, when a couple is infertile, at that times that is our society mainly blamed to the female one. When a couple is infertile, at that times our society mostly blame to the female one. But it has been experimentally proved, or that is investigation has been taken that 80% of the females are responsible for infertility and 20% of responsible is that is the male. On the infertility, 20% is male responsible and that is female is that is the 80% responsible. Why? That is the reproductive systems of the female is much more complex and complicated in comparison to the male one. हमें साइकिल टे चढ़ुचे आ मोटरसाइकिल टे चढ़ुचे मोटरसाइकिल टा रिपेयरिंग बेसी पड़ुची साइकिल रिपेयरिंग बेसी पड़नी कारण मोटरसाइकिल ने बेसिका पार्ट अच्छी बेसिका तार कॉम्प्लेक्स that is the machinery जो अच्छी साइकिल ने विशेष नहीं. Similarly, if we compare that is the reproductive systems of the male is that is like the cycle and it is the motorcycles. Clear? So it includes various parts or various organs which that is facing much more that is the troubles, and here it is very simple in comparison to the female. So that is 80% infertility is found in case of the females and only 20% in case of the males. Clear? So it has been estimated. Then what are the causes of the infertility in the male as well as in female and as well as in both? So what are that is the causes of the infertility in male as well as in female? That is infertility in men. Firstly, we will see that infertility is man, that is infertility in men. Infertility in male. Infertility in men, first one is called as the cryptorchidism. Cryptorchidism, you know, that is the cryptorchidism. Cryptorchidism means that is the cryptorchidism. That is cryptorchidism means that is when the testes are not descends into the scrotum and remains in the abdominal cavity. This condition is called as the cryptorchidism, because I have that is taught you that at the time of embryonic condition or at the embryonic condition, it grows in the abdominal cavity. Before that is the birth, it descends and remains in the scrotum for that is the spermatogenesis which needs that is 2 to 2.5 degree less temperature than the body. But if the cryptorchidism, that is when it fails, when this phenomena fails, it is called as the cryptorchidism. That means that is where these testes are not descended into the scrotum. So due to the high temperature in the abdomen, the sperms are not formed. And the semen, so the semen which is ejaculated from the male is that is azoospermia. Azoospermia. Azoospermia means A means no sperm in the semen. So it is the cause, it is one cause of the, that is the infertility in man. Then oligospermia, then we called as the second one is called as the oligospermia. Oligospermia. Oligospermia means that is the less count of the sperms. That is the amount of the sperms which should remain in the semen, they are not present in adequate number. The number is less. The number is less, or that is the less. That is the less sperm count. Less sperm count. That is called as the oligospermia. Sometimes that is the gonads. That is here. This is the difficulties in testis. This is the difficulties, or this is the problem in the testis. Either it is due to by the gonadial hormone FSH and LH, or that is by the infections or something else, or the infection or something else. That is by which that is the adequate number of the sperms are not formed. That is the most, and it is the most common problem in the male infertility. It is the most common problem, that is oligospermia. It is the most common problem in the, that is the male, that is infertility in men. This is the most oligospermia, that is the amount of sperm is less in the semen due to the defect in testis, and that defect is caused by the, that is the hormones which are secreted from the either hypothalamus, or that is the pituitary, that is, or that is by the, that is the dysfunction of, that is the dysfunction of hypothalamus or pituitary, or that is obtained, etc. Then that is the sperms are not in adequate number. Then another is alcoholism. Then another is alcoholism. That is, you know, alcoholism. Alcoholism means that is regular intake of alcohol by the male. Regular, that is the intake of alcohol by the male. That is here the spermatogenesis reduces. That is which reduces the spermatogenesis. That is regular consumption of alcohol reduces the spermatogenesis. Then another is impotency. That is, another is impotency. Impotency. What is impotency? That is impotency. That is, what is impotency? Impotency is the inability of the male to make, or that is the inability, or it is the condition of the male to erect. It is a condition of the male to, it is a, that is a condition of the male, or it is the inability of the male to make, or to make his penis erect and to penetrate into the female vagina. ता माने एडी पेनिस ता इरेक्ट होबो नाही, स्ट्रांग होबो नाही, आउ vagina भितरे पुश होई परिबो नाही. Then high, that is the high scrotal temperature. Then the high scrotal temperature, that is the high scrotal temperature. High scrotal temperature, sometimes the veins which are present on testis, they are dilated. That is called as the varicocele. That is called as the varicocele. And the varicocele, that is the varicocele. In the varicocele, due to the varicocele, the temperature of the testis remains high. When the testis remains high, that is the sperm production is also, that is the minimized. which causes the minimized sperm production, which causes the minimized sperm production. Then immortality of cilia, then the sixth number, immortality of cilia. Then the number 6 is immotile cilia. Immotile cilia means sometimes that is the tail of the sperm is absent. Immortality of cilia. Sometimes the tail of the sperm is absent, which enables to reach the sperm from the vagina to the oviduct, which enables the sperm to reach from vagina to that is the oviduct. So this is called as the that is immortality of cilia, immotile cilia. Then anti-sperm antibodies, another is 7, that is anti-sperm antibody, so the antibodies are like that is the sperm, like that is the immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin A and immunoglobulin M. They are present, and the immunoglobulin, that is the G, that is the immunoglobulin G, may be found in cervical mucosa as well as the serum and sperm, which destroy the sperm. So as a result of which that sperm cannot fertilize to the ovum. So it is called as the anti-sperm antibody. So it is called as the anti-sperm antibody. Number 8, then 9, that is the 8 hormonal deficiency. That is 8 hormonal deficiency. That is hormonal deficiency. Hormonal deficiency means that is due to the deficiency of the secretion of FSH and LH. FSH and LH, that is the FSH and LH. FSH, follicular stimulating FSH, that is follicular stimulating hormone, and LH, luteinizing hormone. They secrete in a less quantity, as well as the dysfunction of the thyroid, that is it in this way, that is the when these hormones are not secreted properly, it also that is the impact on the formation of the spermatozoa. So like that, the hormonal deficiency, that is here male, and it causes the male infertility. Then after, another is called as tubular blockage, and this is the second most important cause of the that is tubular blockage. Tubular blockage means that is in this process, that is the tubule or that's the vas differentia, or that is the vasa efferentia, or the vas, that is the vasa efferentia, vasa differentia, etc. They are blocked, or they are that is injured, or they are blocked, by which that is the sperm cannot pass from the testis to the outside. So this is the tubular, that is the blockage, tubular blockage. Then another is, this is the second most important. First important infertility is oligospermia, and this is the tubular blockage. And then after, another is the absence of Y chromosome. Absence of Y chromosome, number 10. Absence of Y chromosome, that means sometimes the Y chromosomes are deleted. The chromosome Y are deleted, or the chromosome Y is deleted from the primordial germ cell. So that is the sperm which are formed, they are having no Y chromosomes, and they are that is invalid. They are becomes invalid. That is called as the in absence of Y chromosome. Another is that is the infection. Sometimes that is the infection or the disease like STD. Under the STD, the chlamydiasis and gonorrhea causes the damage of the production of sperm, that is the affect the sperm production and sperm quality, due to heavy testicular damage. Testicular, are you understanding testicular? Testis plus epididymis is called collectively called as the testicle. That is, the testicles become damaged by the infection like STD chlamydia as well as the gonorrhea, which affect the spermatogenesis or the sperm production. Then after this is ineption. Then infection may be due to the prolonged or infertility may be due to taking the medicines that is anti-hypersensitive or anti-hypersensitive. तामाने जदि हाई प्रेशर रहउथबो किंबा एंटी साइकियाट्रिक ड्रग्स और एंटी हाइपरसेंसिटिव ड्रग दैट इज जेति खाउथबो जने हाई ब्लड प्रेशर होउची किंबा मेंटल डिसऑर्डर होउची से औषध खाउची तेनु ये भी इंपैक्ट करिवो मेल इनफर्टिलिटी ऊपर आउ कोन हबो ना दैट इज लो फ्रक्टोज secretion and high prostaglandin. High secretion of prostaglandin and low secretion of the fructose also, that is the content in the semen, that is seminal fluid also, it causes the infertility. It causes the infertility. The semen containing the low percentage of glucose रहिले sperm गुडा के inability हेइबे खाद्य पाइबे नाही तेनु हाई prostaglandin हला तो हाई प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन हेले एगुडा का हेले से कोन हबो ना सेटा इनफर्टिलिटी रो कारण हबो फीमेल जदी एटा रहिबो आउ कोन हबो ना आदाम्स दैट इज आदाम्स ADAM Adam that is Adam means that is androgen deficiency in aged male androgen deficiency in aged male androgen deficiency एंड्रोजन सिक्रेशन कमी गले आपे आपे मेनोपॉज हे जिवो एडा कहंती मेल मेनोपॉज दैट इज एंड्रोजन डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ इन दैट इज द एजेड मेल देन आफ्टर दैट इज कम टू द दैट इज द another is the coital problem what is the coital problem if in the coitus the sperm is not deposited in the that is top of the vagina रे end रे जदि deposit न होबो से जाई कि fertilize करिवाटा व्यापार दूर हो जिवो बा एटा हेई न पारे सेति पई it is the coitus interruption but it not coitus interruption coitus problem एटा copulation ला problem आउ कोन होबो ना cause of that is the female these are about that is it is about 15 points. There are about 15 points that is under the infertility of the male. Similarly, you come to the that is infertility of the female. Similarly, you come to the infertility of the female. In infertility of the female, that is it is like that is the causes of infertility in female. This is the first point. That is the anovulation. That is here the ovulation is not, the normal ovulation is not occurred. When the normal ovulation is not occurred, the corpus luteum is not formed. So the female is not pregnant. So it is that is the infertility. Hormonal causes. The second one is called as the hormonal causes. Like the FSH and LH, that is the secretions of the FSH and LH also that is imbalanced. So that is it causes the infertility. Then another is uterine factor. Uterine factor is the factor in endometrium layer of the uterus, which that is if it is defect, then it causes the or the implantation is not occurred, so there is no pregnancy. That is called as the uterine factor. It causes it is very difficult for the implantation, etc. Then another is that is macrophages. The another is macrophages. Macrophages, you know, that is from the macrophages from the vaginal wall, that is the macrophages or the phagocytic nature of the cells which are called as the macrophages are originated, which destroy, that generally they destroy the, that is the germs, but that is when the copulation occurs at that times they also engulf certain sperms. So when the numbers are more, they will, that is the destroy maximum sperm, so it causes the infertility. So it causes the infertility. Another is called as the fimbriae. Another is called as the fimbriae. Fimbriae. Fimbriae, you know, that is the infundibulum. That is in the infundibulum there are so many, that is the finger-like projections are there. They are called as the fimbriae, and in which there is a osteum is present by the beating of the fimbriae as well as the cilia which are present in that. That is, it collects the ova from the ovary after the ovulation. If the fimbriae is in that is not functioning, then the ova which is produced, it is not enters into the oviduct. That is called as the problem in fimbriae. Then then another is called as dyspareunia. Dyspareunia means that is the female suffers, or that is the pain or feels pain at the time of coitus. That is, it causes the, or painful coitus. That is, it causes the, that is called as the dyspareunia. Dyspareunia, that is causes the, that is the dyspareunia. It causes the painful intercourse or coitus, so it causes the infertility. Then another is cervical factor. Another is the cervical factor. Sometimes that is the due to infection or that is chronic cervitis, that is the, and the less secretion of cervic fluid, cervical fluid, etc. It causes, that is the due to chronic and the presence of anti-sperm antibody, elongation of cervix, secretion of too little mucus, very less mucus from the cervix, so it causes the infertility. तामाने यार टीबी है कि एटा सर्वाइटिस है जीवो, एटा क्रोनिक सर्वाइटिस है ये जीवो, किंबा तार कौन है जीवो ना, that is the anti-sperm antibody अधिका secrete होतुवो बा थीबो, बा एटी कौन होतुवो ना secretion of too little mucus secretion होतुवो, sperm आउ एबाटे movement करी कि जाई पारु नथुवो, so it causes the infertility. Failure of fertilization by and implantation. Fertilization आउ, that is the implantation failure हेले भी एटा कौन हबो ना तमरो, that is the infertility in female हबो. आउ कौन हबो ना ट्यूबल ligation. ट्यूबल ligation जिमिति, that is ट्यूबल ligation होथला मेल रो ओविडक्ट ब्लॉक होथला, सिमिति एठी ओविडक्ट, that is the vast difference block होथला, सिमिति एठी ओविडक्ट ब्लॉक हबो, ओभा आसी परिबो नाही, एठी ओविडक्ट ब्लॉक हेले ओभा आसी परिबो नाही, तेनु एटा fertilization करि परिबोनी, so it causes the infertility. Then abdominal disease. Abdominal disease किछि abdominal disease अछि जोटा भाइरस बैक्टेरिया द्वारा इन्फेक्शन हबो, abdominal disease हेले भी कोन हबो ना, that is एटा abdominal disease हेले infection हेले एटा leads to the female infertility. Then after it is called as the polycystic ovary. Polycystic ovary syndrome. Polycystic माने गुड़ाए सिस्ट सब ओभारी भितर देखा हबो, पॉलीसिस्टिक, पॉली मीन्स मेनी, जतले देखा हबो सेठी कोन हबो ना पॉलीसिस्टिक हेले एफएसएच रो सिक्रेशन कमिबो आ एलएच रो सिक्रेशन बढ़िबो, तेनु सेठी कोन हबो ना, सेठी बढ़िले एठी कोन हबो ना जे इमेच्योर, दैट इज द फॉलिकल गुडा कोन हबो ना ग्रोथ करिवो, जोडा की फर्टिलाइजेशन है कि पिला भलो रखि परिबो नाही. Then another is that is polycystic, and so ei jo 12 point hala, so these are the 12 points, so these are the causes of the female infertility. Then ko common point achi jota ki both male and female manakre infertility, that is called as the smoking. Smoking kale, that is the first point is smoking, that is it is the cause of both male and female infertility, that is smoking. Smoking kale kon habo ना स्पर्म भलो तैयारी होबो नाही, बा स्पर्म जदि तैयारी हुए सेउडा को डिफेक्टिव स्पर्म बा इनेबिलिटी हेबे, आउ कोन हबो ना वुमेन रे कोन हबो ना से कहूची इट आल्सो द मिसकरेज, माने पिलाटा खसी जिबार भी चांस होची. तापर कंजप्शन ऑफ अल्कोहल. कंजप्शन ऑफ अल्कोहल हेले क्वालिटी एंड क्वांटिटी ऑफ द स्पर्माटोजोआ सिक्रेशन कमी जिवो आउ कोन हबो ना दैट इज द आउ कोन हबो ना इफेक्ट ऑन द प्रेगनेंसी ऑफ वुमेन रो प्रेगनेंसी ऊपर भी इंपैक्ट पकाइबो किंतु आजिकली तो मैक्सिमम कोन करचंती ना मेल एंड फीमेल्स बोथ आर ड्रिंकिंग हला गला देन अनदर इज कॉल्ड एज बीइंग ओवरवेट जदि बेसिका मोटा हे जिवो ताले प्रेगनेंसी होबो नाही स्पर्माटोजोआ भी भलो तयारी होबो नाही स्पर्म इन मैन भलो तयारी होबो नाही जदि अधिका मोटा हो ओवरवेट दैट इज बीइंग ओवरवेट हेले चांसेस ऑफ वुमेन गेट प्रेगनेंसी होबो नाही आउ कोन होबो ना एबनॉर्मल स्पर्म प्रोडक्शन रिप्रोडक्शन होबो स्पर्म भलो तयारी होबो नाही तापर स्ट्रेस जदि मेंटल स्ट्रेस रे मेल किबा फीमेल रहिबो ताले एगुडा कभी रिप्रोडक्शन ले हार्मफुल स्पर्म प्रोडक्शन ले एटा हार्मफुल करिवो स्ट्रेस आउ दैट इज ओव्युलेशन ले भी एटा प्रॉब्लम करेबो तेनु एटा होबो नाही आउ कोन होबो ना दैट इज एसटीडीज केते गुडा का रोग अछि जो रोग हेले एगुडा को कोन होबो ना एटी इनफर्टिलिटी होबो दैट इज एसटीडी गुडा केते रोग अछि क्लामाइडिया एंड गोनेरिया एगुडा का हेले कोन होबो ना इनफर्टिलिटी डेवलप करिवो कले मेल बी फीमेल दी जन जाका इनफर्टिलिटी सो व्हाट आर द ट्रीटमेंट्स तो ट्रीटमेंट कोन ना कोन कोन दैट इज द कोन दैट इज द ट्रीटमेंट हेले आजिकली बहुत गुडाए दैट इज इनफर्टिलिटी क्लिनिक्स आर अवेलेबल इन द इंडिया हला स्पेसिफिक दैट इज इनफर्टिलिटी दैट इज द क्लिनिक्स आर अवेलेबल they we can consult with that is the infertility couple or infertile couple can consult with them and they can make them fertile. So what are the that is the common that is the impact. So the common in male if vitamin B12 vitamin C folic acid and vitamin E are applied then that is the male that is the so improve the oligospermia एगुडा के जदी खाइबो विटामिन टैबलेट फॉलिक एसिड टैबलेट एगुडा जदी खाइबो ताले खाइले कोन हबो ना तार ओलिगोस्पर्मिया जो स्पर्म गुडा को कम तयारी होतला बेसी तयारी होबार सहाय्य करिवो यूज ऑफ दैट इज क्लोमिफेन साइट्रेट हला 25 रु 50 ग्राम डेली खाइले 3-4 मास खाइले improve the production of that is the gynotropic hormones गुडा को हबो इवन आमे टेस्टोस्टेरोन भी डायरेक्ट हार्मोन टैबलेट आमे खाई पारिबे जो माने इनफर्टाइल थिबे तापरे डेक्सामेथेसन यूज्ड फॉर करेक्ट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एंटीस्पर्म एंटीबॉडी एटा बोथ मेल और फीमेल रे डेक्स्ट्रा दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द डेक्सामेथासन जदी खाइबो ताले कोन हबो ना तारो माने कोन हबो ना से कहूची दैट इज द एंटीबॉडी एंटीस्पर्म एंटीबॉडी गुडा को दूरीभूत करिवो तापरे इरेक्ट आउ डिस्फंक्शन आउ ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ भास इफेरेंसिया एगुडा को सब सर्जिकल मेथड रे एगुडा को सब रिमूव हे परिबो हला मे बी करेक्टेड बाय एवॉइडेंस आउ मेल कोन करिवो सिगरेट आउ ए जो अल्कोहल कतरु टिके दूरे की रहिबो ताले एटा हे परिबो आउ कोन हबो ना एंड एंटीबॉडी फॉर्मेशन एम्ति ट्रीटमेंट कल ओव्युलेशन इज इंड्यूस्ड बाय क्लेमाफेन citrate that is called as clomiphene citrate नेले एनोवुलेशन जोटा सेटा ओवुलेशन करिवारे सहाय्य करिवो हला तापरे that is ovarian cyst आउ fallopian obstacle एगुडा के जो थिबो एडा that is surgical रे चेंज हे पारिवो हला एगुडा का कला परे एगुडा का सो मेडिसिन it is very difficult to that is the make it get by heart so you try to make it get by heart it is not that is it is difficult for my part because that is my age is not in that stage so that is here up to this that is if any difficulty arises if the unfertile that is couples are not rectified then after they can take the help of the assisted reproductive technology. They can take the help of assisted reproductive technology that is called as the ART, that is assisted reproductive technology. Then, so from this only 10 to 15 minutes will take to finish. So that is I will start this in the next class. ART.